Okay, so for this video, we are going to be learning about empathy, and what that means is our understanding of other people's emotions and caring for others around us. So, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to kind of talk about some good emotions that we can feel with some people, and that would be like loving towards people, having good friendships with people, being kind towards others. Now, on the flip side to this, there's also negative emotions that we can feel towards people. We could be angry, we can be mean to other people, we can maybe sometimes say some not nice things that would affect the way someone else feels. So we could be feeling happy and maybe laughing when we say something to someone else, but we need to think about how that affects the other person. So what we're first going to do is I want all of you to take your paper plate, and I would like for you to set it down on your desk. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is I want you to take the small container of toothpaste and I want you to twist off the top. Now, as hard as you can, I want you to squeeze your toothpaste all over this plate. Just like I did. Maybe smear it around a little bit on the plate. But you know what? Now all of you made my plates kind of dirty. So I take it back. I want all of you to take all of the toothpaste that you just put onto this plate, because now I'm kind of sad that my plates are all dirty, and I want you to put it all back into the tube. You can't put it all back into the tube. You might be able to get a little bit back in, but you'll never be able to fully put all of the toothpaste back into the tube. It's just going to sit on the top. This is something we need to keep in mind when we are talking to other people. If we're being mean to someone and we're spewing out all of this toothpaste, all of these mean words, and I said that, you know what, never mind, I'm sorry, but I want you to put all of this toothpaste back in because it made me kind of sad to see how dirty all the plates got. It's impossible. You can't get all of this toothpaste back in with just yourself. So the lesson here is we need to watch what we say to other people, because if we just say the first thing that comes to mind, like I'm sure all of you got super excited when I said to just squeeze this toothpaste as hard as you can. But then when I told you to all put it back, it wasn't that easy. So if you're mean to someone and we want to apologize to them, it's not that easy to take it back because maybe that really hurt their feelings. And we need to keep this in mind next time before we say something harsh to someone. So before you say all these mean things, you need to think about if you were in their situation. And you need to think about how would you feel if they were saying that to you. We need to think before we speak. So some of us probably didn't think when I said, all right, squeeze the toothpaste, and you just squeezed it all over the place. But what we need to do is we need to think about it and be like, I don't know if this is a good idea, but this is what she told me to do, so I'm gonna do it. And that was a really good job following directions. But if we were trying to be mean towards someone else, even though we might laugh about it, that doesn't mean that they're gonna laugh about it. So we need to take that into consideration and watch what we say to someone, because just because we think a sorry could fix it, it doesn't put all of our toothpaste back into the container.